night, with a bottle in my hand and a spark in my veins. Living fast, chasing shadows in the streetlight. Every kiss I stole tasted like gasoline flames.